What's going on YouTube? So for today's video we're gonna do another unboxing. This one came from Adidas. I think this is the one of them are Yeezy slides, and one of them are the new Trae ones that's coming on next month, the first, I think October 1st. But yeah, let's go check them out right now. This one first. So this one is the Trae. Let's check out the box first. So it says right there, Trae one. I got a size 9. Because I think this will fit like Hardens. So let's check out the top of the box. Right here it says, always remember when they doubted you. Then the signature, Trae. And yeah, this is the first edition. Adidas, and then his logo. Alright, let's go open it right now. So this one was exclusive from Adidas confirmed hat. This is what I got him. I like the colorway. Color looks nice. Let's see what's up here. So my first impression of these, it reminds me of the Harden Volume 4. I mean the bottom part. It has the booze in it. I think some of them. There's a booze part right there. It comes with extra laces. Pink laces, and then his logo on the side. It says us. His signature in the back. Signature on this one as well. Yeah, I do this logo right here. I think I might have to get a smaller size on these. Still looks pretty good now. But yeah, I can't wait to ball on these. I'm gonna do a review on these. I'm gonna play basketball on these. And there's another logo on that side as well. I think this is gonna be comfy just because the boost technology on this. The 3 stripes on the side right here. And then said light strike on this side. Yeah, I'm excited to ball on these. I like the colorway. It's sky blue. And it turns to pink, and then there's another logo right there, ice. let you guys know how it feels on court. So there's the Trae first edition. Yeah, this is gonna be coming out next month. The first, and he's releasing a couple more colorways on these. But yeah, so far I like them. I just gotta test this on a basketball court. Let's open this one. I think this one is the Yeezy slides. This is the first Yeezy slides that I want on the Adidas app. Yeah, it's this one. So let's check out the box first on these. This one says slide on top of the box, and then Yeezy slide. Usually a Yeezy's size 9, but this one they said to go size up. So I grab a 10 of these, and this is the suit colorway. Let's go check it out. It looks mad comfy. Let's see. I like it. I like the colorway. It's kind of like dark brown, brownish. It's not black, but yeah, like chocolate kind of colorway. This is my first pair of Yeezy slides. I like it. It looks comfy. But yeah, I got lucky on these. I just tried to on the raffle, and they picked my name on it. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting another pair of these in a different colorway, but right now they go for ridiculous price right now though, so I ain't doing that. But yeah, it says Yeezy slide on the inside. There's a tag on there too. Yeah, I like these. Try it on that. Good thing I got a size 10, because size 9 would be too small. I'm go calling that. Yeah, I like these as well. I'm glad I finally got a pair of the Yeezy slides. But yeah, that's about it on this video. I just wanted to do unboxing video on these. I got these a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't opened the box yet until now, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. And then this one I'm excited decided to play basketball on these. You know, I'm gonna record a couple videos or clips of me playing ball on these. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys again for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like the videos as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Thank you guys for watching. Later. Peace.